Hi, this is Dr. Pete with Trade Rounds. We're in the last weekend of July, and Friday was certainly an exciting time in the stock market, and I thought it was a good time to look and see what happened on the hourly chart during the day that might help you with your trading. So we're looking at SPY on the hourly chart. SPY is the S&P 500 exchange traded fund. And you can see a really nice move over a period of a couple of weeks here, pretty steady uptrend. And then you see as we head towards Wednesday, this really nice move up. And then the last bar here on Wednesday is a real big long bar, a really big price move on very high volume down here. You can see this is the highest amount of buying volume during this entire uptrend from around here. This should make you suspicious, especially when you get extended above the 20-period moving average, that this is a buying climax, meaning that essentially the smart money selling into dumb money who's getting excited about the move up. And then what you saw on Thursday was some consolidation inside the bar, which often happens within these big bars. And then really the key is to look at Friday. Here's the opening hour bar right here. And you can see that the last hour of Thursday was very tight price action here. Look at this bar on the open on Friday. Here's the opening price with this left notch. Here's the closing price. And you can see, and this is the range in the body of the bar, and you can see that this bar engulfs not just the last hour of Thursday, but several hours going back. This should grab your attention. In fact, I saw it about an hour into trading on Friday and tweeted that this was essentially, if you're only a long-sided trader, meaning you only buy stocks and ETFs to trade, this was a time to sit on your hands because the likely direction of the market was down. What you'll often see after a big bar like this is a little test back in to the body of this bar, which you got on the second hour. And then this is the key level of support here, the bottom of this huge climactic bar. Once you broke that, down she goes. You went from 282.50 or so all the way down to 280.44, so a $2 drop, which is quite a move in just a few hours. Now, it was also somewhat predictable when you were watching this unfold as to where there might be support. Gaps often fill, and they often provide levels of support. So we see this gap near the beginning of the week right here, where in the morning on the first hour you jump well above the price action of Monday. And then there was a retest back down here, not only a retest of the gap, but also the 20-period moving average, which you can frequently see that price action will extend beyond and then come back and retest. So the market showed strength from here. Then you had a little nice 2-day rally on your hands again to this climactic area. But look where the price action went down and held firm on really high volume here. So this told you that this bar here was very climactic with about 3 hours left in the trading session. You can also see it finished with this right notch here, at least a little bit off the low, not maybe as high as we would like to see to suggest a time to buy, but certainly that this might be the low of the day or a very strong level of support if you were looking to go long. And certainly I would not be looking to go short in here. Now we had a little bit of a rally. I'm a little suspect of that and think the market may need to cool off a bit. But I would say the 1 hour chart is a really nice chart to look at for longer term picture. You sometimes see a major change underneath the surface of the market that tells you that there may be several days of price action going in a different direction. when you see something of significance, such as what I saw here and what I saw here on Thursday and Friday. It also can help you with your day trading. Those of you who were interested in being short, you had a really nice setup here when this pulled back in and then broke down. For those of you who would only trade from the long side, this was just really a day to do nothing. So I hope this helps, and we'll see you again here.